Hey guys, so I'm gonna try and take you on my day today. I'm not really doing much besides maybe some laundry. I'm doing it on my camera today because my daughter has my phone. Kids, you know, they always love technology. So, at the moment, I'm gonna make myself a really late breakfast. The reason I'm eating this late is because I kind of ate late last night. So with the 30-day program, they try to have you do a 12-hour in between before you eat again from nighttime to daytime. So I ate pretty late, so I'm going to eat pretty late today. And I'm just going to make my shake real quick, so let's do that. Oh, and I have to take my vitamins, so I'm going to do that in a second. And I'm going to drink my shake first, and then I'll come back and do my dishes. It's a little thicker today, but I kind of like it when it's the banana strawberry one. I kind of like it a little thick. So as you guys already know, I was drinking these. I'm still doing just one a day instead of two. Don't know if maybe I should be upping it one, but we'll see how this cycle goes. So far, I haven't ovulated yet. I'm only on cycle day, I believe, 19 right now. So, last time I ovulated between cycle day 20 and 21, and by cycle day 22 was kind of like gone. So, we'll see. Sorry if I'm too close to the camera, guys. It's just, I have really short arms, and I'm using my camera. And if it's dark, I apologize. I will try to get some light in here in a second. I'm forgetting to take my prenatals and my vitamin lately because, well, while my mother-in-law was here, I didn't want to make it super obvious. So hopefully this gets me. But it's not that I don't want family to know, like, at all. It's just, I don't know exactly what the reason why it is. We did tell some paintball family about it, and they were very supportive, and I guess that might be one of the other things. I'm just scared maybe people won't be supportive out of our families. I know so far, like, my father-in-law is kind of excited because, I mean, we're all, like, rooting for us to have, like, a boy, so maybe that's another reason why, but let me just take this real quick. Ugh, I hate when it goes down the wrong way. Like, you're putting it in like this and then it just ends up like that. Oh, I hate that. And this thing is huge. Oh my god. I hate taking these sometimes. Oh my god. I'm really thinking, once I got pregnant, I might try the liquid prenatals from Pink Stork because, yeah, I hate taking pills. Just staring at my cat. She's looking at me kind of funny. So, like I said, today, and I'm just watching my child from the monitor because she's upstairs. Most of the time she likes to chill on her own for a little bit, which gives us, it gives her time, gives me my time. And then sometimes she'll come down here with me for a little bit. I'm gonna fold laundry today because I have some laundry waiting on me. I'll show you guys in a minute how much laundry I got waiting on me. I'm gonna wash dishes. I gotta finish doing some laundry because I was washing some coats that needed to be washed on delicate and then dried on the extra low setting or the air dry setting. So they're taking a little while to dry. So I haven't popped anything else into the washer because I didn't want it to just sit there and smell because it probably would be waiting for a while to go into the dryer. I wanted to show you guys something real quick. I know I probably didn't show you guys this before, and I don't think I have a picture of it. I don't think so. So, I'm going to show you guys real quick. That piece over there, we're going to toss out. This couch was given to us, and where we used to live in California, we had more space, and we didn't have something that was, like, in the way like that. So the couch would look at my kitty. The couch looked nice. It fit perfectly over there. But here, what would happen is the couch would curve about here, and then there's this huge gap here. So my daughter would come onto this piece, because this is technically the end piece, and then this piece would be between this piece here and this piece there. And she would come, and it would come out about to here, right here. And my fear would always be that she's going to fall over, because she would always try to get to the top of that and try to reach this stuff. So now that I've taken that little curve off, this is how our couch looks, and it gives us so much more space. Like, I've sent a picture to one of my friends that came to visit, and she's like, wow, like, your living room looks so much bigger. I love it, actually. I'm like so happy. I used to hate this couch, and I'm sorry to whoever's listening that might know where we got this couch from. But yeah, I used to hate this couch because it just felt so big. So I went ahead and was just like, you know what? Let me see how it looks without that curved piece. So this is going to be our new setup, and I'm in love because now I have a space for my Christmas tree this year. Last year we didn't have space for it. It was a little chaotic. So this is what the house looks like at the moment. It's still a bit messy. Like I said, I still have to organize, but it's a lot cleaner than it was before. There's all of our paintball stuff. We have one more game this season, which you guys will see the video of. I'm going to try my best to get as much footage from this game because I didn't do that very well for our monster game one. So I'm going to try and do my best to actually record while I'm on the field. So yeah, this is the living room. Bunch of kitty litter. We just got that from Costco. So this is the laundry that's waiting on me. This is dirty laundry and this is clean laundry. And there's another bag over there. Yay! So then we're putting in our new sink pretty soon. I think it should be in sometime this coming up week. Another thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be painting these stairs. So I'm going to sand down some of the stuff, paint them, and then we have like little, I don't know, some weird little foam thing that goes on them to kind of quiet them down a little bit, because we had carpet in this house before, and that's why the floor or the steps look like this, and that's why that looks like that. So I'm going to be doing that soon as well. So I'm doing a couple updates here and there, just because I want to be happy in our home, and you know, even if this is our temporary home, I want it to be functional as possible for our family. My cat, she's just chilling. And then the other one, you guys can't even see her, but she's, I mean, you can see her ears. She's right there. Look at my baby. I gotta go get my big baby in a minute. Hi, mamas. Snowy. Psst, psst. Snow. Just ignoring me. Now I'm recording from my laptop because my camera died. I used it when we went to AC and I completely forgot to charge it. So this is typically her hair after she wakes up. Say hi. So here we go. I try my best. I don't have full-on curly hair. I have wavy hair. I had curly hair when I was little, so I'm not gonna remember how they like managed it or how it, whatever, you know. So I try my best to like be gentle with her head because I think I just have to look for more products. But I just cannot get her hair to look like it does right after a shower or a bath. Like her hair looks really nice and pretty and curly after every bath and every shower. And then after that, like the curls just will not come back to the same look. They just kind of look, They just don't look the same. I have to like soak her head again just to kind of make them look the same. So if anybody out there has any like recommendations to like take care of baby curly hair, please leave it down in the comments. I would appreciate any suggestions on this part because, like again, like I said, she's watching her. It's too close to your face, baby. Put it down a little bit. Like I said, I used to have curly hair, but that was when I was about her age, and my hair is now just wavy, and I don't really know what it takes to keep curly hair really like going. I might have to like do more research and maybe watch videos as to what people do. But I mean, obviously that's for like older people. I need to know how to take care of like baby hair because you can't put on adult products on a baby's head yet. So again, if any of you have any suggestions, please leave it down in the comments. I would totally appreciate any suggestions or advice on that. So that's usually what her hair looks like after I brush it. See if I can get it to look a little curlier. Like I said, I have to douse it in water. And then once I get the tangles out, I just kind of brush it with my hands to kind of get the curls back. But again, I'm not brushing hair, Mom. Hang on, I'm almost done. I'm not brushing hair. Hang on, I'm almost done. I'm not brushing hair. Hang on, kid. I'm not brushing hair, Mom. Just hang on. Okay. Well, now she's leaving, so okay. You want the mask? She's really into wearing a mask right now. She's gonna wear some for mask. Here. Well, that's why I asked you to let me finish your hair so I can do a ponytail. And then it'll stay up. Okay. Don't poke your eyes. You want to show the camera? You're so silly. So guys, I got my phone back from my daughter. So now I'm gonna do. Yes, baby? Huh? So I'm gonna do my laundry real quick. What, baby? As I was saying, I'm gonna do my laundry real quick. I'm gonna show you guys how I like to usually do it, or now, as of now, because I watched that one show on Netflix. I forgot the name of her. Anyway, so she shows you how to like clean, declutter, I guess you could say, like organize your house, and how to fold. And I swear I've fallen in love with the way she teaches people how to fold. I thought I stepped on something. So now that's the only way I fold now. And everything fits so much better. And the drawers. I just freaking love it. So, it takes a little more time to get it done. But it's... Someone's into dressing up now. But I mean, come on guys, look. That fits so nicely in her drawers. It's amazing. So then with pants, you guys can't see because it won't tilt. So with pants, you go up to there. 1, 2, 3. And there you go. Sometimes I do a little bit of an extra one, just because depending on the pant, I might not fully do it. But, oh, there it goes. I didn't realize I wasn't actually. So yeah, see, pretty small. And then I just kind of, I'm gonna place it somewhere where it won't be in. Oh my god, and I love this top. I love the color. So cute. The only thing is I need to get a little thinner for it to look good on me. It's one of those really body contour type of shirts. So after I eat and my little pug comes out, yeah. But I'm still gonna wear it. Who cares? I'm a mom. I have a belly. Yes, you know, it's gonna happen. My body did. I know it was already 3 years ago, but you know, I went through 9 months of growing a baby. It's not gonna just. Oh, well, by now you would think it would have, you know. But also, it's not like I work out all the time, so yeah. So I'm almost done with my laundry, but because my hubby came home, he's sleeping, sitting in a nap, I don't want to make any noise upstairs. So I'm trimming the cat's nails. Should I this back on? I already trimmed my bed cat's nails. She's the easy one. The crazy one is my little cat. Turn around. Trims him. There you go. So as I'm saying, my little cat, she's a little more dangerous to cut her nails, so you guys might see me wrap her up in something. No, what is that? She was a street cat, and she just doesn't like to be cleaned, nails trimmed, nothing. She gets really skittish the moment she's picked up. I literally have to kind of just like let her go when I hold her because I get so scared that she's gonna scratch me. She's actually gotten me really, really bad where she bit me through my finger on the little chunky part of the meat, and yeah, I've had some really bad bathing experience with her, so I just try to be cautious. Make it more comfortable. Come on. Don't be like that. So that's kind of how I got to grab her. To be very careful. I try to keep her as relaxed as possible, but she stresses herself out. Stay over there, please. Because you scare her. You stress her out even more. She does not like my daughter. I'm going to try and slowly get one paw at a time. But, again, she gets a little crazy, so... I don't cut a lot. I just try to get their like tip of their nail. But they act like it's some like agonizing. Nope. I'll never see she thinks that way. Oh, Storm, she's being nice to you. She gave you her Donald. You're so sweet, baby. Is it for her to feel better? Yeah. So she feels calm and safe? Yeah. You're so sweet. I just want to get your phone call. Almost done. Almost done. Calm down. Okay, we're down 3 paws. We need one more. Can you like withstand one more paw? I think you got this. You already did 3 paws. One more paw's not gonna kill you. Hey guys, so there's a reason why I couldn't like close off the video the proper way. As you guys could see, some of the footage at the end is a little like not together. What happened was I just couldn't get all of my footage put up. For some reason, it just wouldn't upload onto my laptop and onto my SD card from my phone. So I'm gonna sign off this way again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below if you want to see more videos like this. Like I said, most of the time that's kind of how my days are. They're really, really slow. We don't really do a lot. Most of our active days are more when my husband's home because we go out more. He has a car, I don't drive. So that's when we're more active. You will see a video of our next upcoming game soon. We have a game this weekend that's coming up. So I will probably have that up next week if I get enough time to edit everything. I know I also have to get up my 2 storytime videos. Sorry, my daughter. My 2 storytime videos. I promised I would do a video of how and when I found out I was pregnant. And the second one was about my labor and delivery. So I will try and get those videos up as soon as I can. I'm just trying to find the right time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys next time. Bye.